Hi, everybody. Christina here with One Creative Direction. Welcome in for another video, and welcome if you're a new subscriber. If you aren't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider hitting that subscribe and the notification bell. I would greatly appreciate it. So, what we're going to do in this video, and I pretty much sped up the entire video, and I'm just going to voice over and let you listen to music for a good portion of it, just to keep it short, just like I like it. So what I'm doing here is, if you've seen any of my videos, you may have watched the video that I put out several months ago, showing how to mix up my special base recipe that I created. And I specifically created it for like a bloom swipe. It works great for bloom swipes, for blooms. And so I decided I wanted to try it out on a Dutch pour. I felt like if I got such great results with the bloom type paintings, that I would try it out with a Dutch pour. I do love doing Dutch pours, so I'm going to do two different tests. So this first one that I'm working on right now, and I'm covering the base, is I am using the special base. I didn't thin it out. It's the same thickness as I would typically use it to do blooms. So in this first video, I didn't make any adjustment to that base coat. And I'm using my regular, already mixed, my Dutch pour colors. And when I say already mixed, that means I've mixed them ahead of time. It's the way that I use them in my regular Dutch pour base recipe. It's a pretty simple recipe. I have several videos on it if you want to check those out. I can definitely link that mixing video in the description. So the colors that I'm using, I picked out 4 colors. Tried to incorporate a little bit of everything, but I picked out 4 colors. I'm using Artist Loft Aqua Green. I'm using Artist Loft Neon Violet. I'm using Pebeo Studios, I believe it's Blue Violet Iridescent. And then the last one I'm going to be using in this video is the 24 karat gold extreme sheen by Deco Art. So as you can see, I'm going to lay those colors down and blow that out on this first portion of the test per se. And you'll see, I'll give you a close up, and then in the next portion of the video, what I'm going to do is repeat this same exact colors with 2 changes. So the first change that I'm making on the second portion is thin out the base coat just a tad. So I added about 20 grams of water. Actually, it was about 18 to 20 grams. And then the colors are mixed with only paint and water. So basically, you're just mixing the paint with water until you get the correct consistency. It could be 30%, 40%, just depends on how thick the paint is. So, yeah, those are the 2 changes that'll be on the second portion, the second one that I blow out. Other than that, they're the same exact colors and everything. So I'm going to let you guys listen to music, and then I will come in at the end for a little bit of a summary on what I think of this, and I would really appreciate your comments on what you think of basically the test and the results. So I'm going to let you listen to some music, and I'll catch you on the end. Hey guys, I'm back. So this is the wet result of the second test. I showed the dried result of the first test in the beginning of the filming of this portion. And then I'm going to show you both side by side here in a second. But again, good cells, good cell reaction, lacing and such. So you'll see the dried results of both of them side by side here. So my thoughts are, I think I might do a third trial with the base coat not thinned out and maybe thicken up my colors, my regular. I like the results of the first portion better, this one. And I think if I thicken the paints up a little bit, might get a better result than these two. So let me know what your comments, your thoughts are. Send me an email if you need help. And let me know how you like the video. And as always, thumbs up. Catch you on the next video. Bye now.